Running era baka mo? May bagong jogging marker sa Quezon Memorial Circle para maisulong ang mas active na lifestyle para sa mga residente. New jogging markers have been placed at the Quezon Memorial Circle to encourage residents to become more active in commemoration of World Obesity Day in Quezon City. The informative totems within the park not only helps joggers monitor their progress but also helps raise awareness on the threat of obesity.
We are having a turnover of the totem poles here at QMC, which contains science-based information about obesity and ways on how to become healthier. At first glance, it may seem like a simple feature, but it is empowering as it helps in goal setting. When we design cities that encourage movement and self-monitoring, we make health the easier choice.
According to Dr. Biboy Molano, efforts to combat obesity in the city must shift from curative to preventive because of the risk involved. He says being overweight can lead to more serious diseases if not addressed.
In our Quezon City Health Department, our ratio stands in 1:7 people. Meaning, isa sa 20 years old and above na pumupunta sa ating mga health center ay natagpuan natin na obese or overweight. Mataas na yung risk factor niya, meaning pwede mag-develop ng high blood, ng diabetes, pwede mag-develop ng chronic obstructive pulmonary disease.
The initiative builds on the Quezon City government's efforts to help in the long-term management of obesity. This includes the calorie labeling program where residents can view the calorie count of food items in restaurants and food delivery apps. Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte also says she is focusing on turning public spaces in the city into areas that encourage movement.
Ang goal namin dito sa Quezon City, before I step down in 2028, gagawin natin tunay na walkable ang key areas sa bawat distrito ng ating mahal na lungsod.
Dr. Molano also urged citizens to lead healthier lifestyles.
What I suggest, start small. Pero eventually, make it a habit. Kapag naging habit na yun, magkakaroon ka ng drive to actually go further than beyond.
Kapatid Fatima Baduria, We Are One News.